Meaning of despise.
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 Despise. The term despise refers to a strong feeling of contempt or disgust towards someone or something. It conveys a deep-seated dislike or hatred, often resulting from moral or ethical objections or personal distaste. When you despise someone or something, you may express your feelings through harsh words or actions. This could lead to social isolation or ostracism, as well as heightened tension and conflict. Ultimately, the result of despising someone or something is a sense of negativity and bitterness that can interfere with healthy relationships and a positive outlook on life.